Good morning, students. In our previous lecture, we have seen the syllabus content of an theory of machine subject. Today, we shall study what are the contents of the term work for this particular subject, which is nothing but the theory of machine subject. Okay. Now, it has two parts. One is one is part A, and another one is part B. So part A is, which is the compulsory one. You must do it. And in particular part B, we have 5 different assignments or the experiments, out of which we are supposed to do, or we are supposed to follow 2 assignments. Okay. So 7 compulsory assignments or the experiments from part A and 2 assignments from part B, which will comply for 9 experiments, 9 assignments for this particular theory of machine 2 term work. Okay. And out of which, this is not the only write-up work what you are going to do, or the experimentation work what you are going to do. Apart from it, you are supposed to draw the sheets, graphical methods, or the different sheets for this particular term work section. We will see one by one what exactly we are going to do. Okay. So in part A, very first is to study manufacturing of gear using gear generation with rack as a cutter, and to generate involute profile. Now this is the practical which we can understand once we go through the first unit, isn't it? And what we are going to study over here is how gear cutting is done. When, as you are aware that in the manufacturing process, you might have discussed this or you might have seen this, the gears are manufactured on the milling machine. But if quantity is the what we want to achieve within specified time or within the minimum time, then we usually go for gear hobbing process. Okay. So in that particular process, how the different layers of how the different teeths are being formed on the gear blank, that can be visualized or that can be drawn in this particular first experiment. So by using an apparatus, we are going to generate an teeth, different teeths on the gear blank basically. So this is what we are going to do in the first unit. Secondly, kinematic analysis of synchromesh, machine tool gearbox, differential gearbox. So this is a study experiment or study assignment, you can say, in which we are going to study the different gearboxes. Okay, here they have specified 3 gearboxes, but we will add few more for our better understanding. First will be the sliding mesh gearbox. Okay, first will be the sliding mesh gearbox. Second will be the constant mesh gearbox. Okay, Then third will be the synchro mesh gearbox. Okay. Then next is differential gearbox, and in the last is machine tool gearbox. So all these gearboxes we are going to study theoretically. Okay. Then third one is speed and torque analysis of epicyclic gear train to determine holding torque. Third one is speed and torque analysis of epicyclic gear train to determine the holding torque. Okay, so with an apparatus, we are going to see the how we can find out different speeds and different torques of this particular epicyclic gear train. Next is to draw the cam profile and study variation in the pressure angle with respect to change in the base circle diameter. Okay, then draw a pitch circle for both the cases. So basically this is a graphical experiment or assignment which we are going to solve on the half imperial drawing sheet. Okay, the next is to synthesize the 4-bar and slider crank mechanism using and inversion relative pole and inversion method with 3 accuracy points. So basically this particular assignment is also graphical one. So we are going to draw this on the half imperial drawing sheet. Next one is to determine the effect of active gyroscopic couple on a spinning disc and verify the gyroscopic effect. So it will be done on the what we can say actual experimental setup, where we are going to analyze the different gyroscopic couples, okay, on the gyroscopic instrument. Next one is study of an continuous variable transmission and infinite variable transmission system. So CVT and IVT, that is what we are going to discuss. Again, this is the what study type of experiment or the assignment you can say. Okay, now this is what is the compulsory part of the term work. Now next is the optional part of the term work, that is nothing but the part B. We have to select the two what we can say two parts out of which. The very first is to draw the conjugate profile for any general type of gear tooth. It is to be drawn on the half imperial drawing sheet. So basically how conjugate profiles are being drawn, that is what we are going to see. So this is an again a graphical assignment or the experiment which we will see in this particular unit or in this particular assignment. Next one is to verify the cam jump phenomena for an eccentric cams, as this is the part of sixth unit, or sorry, fourth unit, cam jump. There is a term like cam jump, what exactly this cam jump phenomena is and how it can be seen in case of eccentric cam. That is what we are going to study in the this particular assignment or this particular experiment. Then third one is synthesize a 4-bar mechanism based on Freudenstein's equation using any programming language. So on the unit number 5, this particular assignment will be there. Next one is to measure the range of speeds obtained using any one type of continuous variable transmission device. So we need to obtain the different sorts of speeds in this particular thing. That is what we are going to do. And the last one is industrial visit to understand different machines and different mechanisms. Now, machine and mechanism. You have dealt with this particular words in your unit number 1 in theory of machines 1 subject. Over there you have studied this particular unit. So if a industry is a mechanical industry, so what sorts of machines it is having, what sorts of mechanisms it is going to have, that is what we are going to observe during the industrial visit. This whole term work you are supposed to complete, learn. In the learning process you will also be uh, you will also need to learn all the 6 units of this particular subject during the oral examination. In the oral examination you are going to be you are going to face the oral examination of 25 marks. See, 25 marks oral examination is there and term work of 25 marks. So along with the 6 units you are supposed to go through this particular term work portion also. So this is what we will discuss one by one during our this lecture series. I hope you might have got the glimpse of this particular subject, that what we are going to see in this particular semester for this particular subject. So you might have got an idea for this particular what we can say subject. That's it for now. Keep watching these videos. If you are liking the video, please press the button like. Kindly subscribe this particular channel. Press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you so much.